Hi guys, this is Miss Molly Goda here, and for this week I am sending some stuff for either year 7, 8 and 9 to do, or form 1, 2 and 3, whichever way you call it in your school. We're focusing on fitness but related to basketball. So within fitness there are 12 components of fitness. There are 5 under the health related side, which is what you are born with, and there are 6 under the skill related side, which is what you learn and you improve on. So on the health related side we have cardiovascular fitness, muscular endurance, muscular strength, body composition and flexibility. So from that side today we're going to focus on testing and then trying to improve our muscular endurance, which is how long our muscles can keep going for, contracting and relaxing, how long can we keep working them for. Okay, and then on the skill related side we have agility, balance, power, coordination, reaction time and speed. And we're going to focus on 2 of those today, which is your coordination. So obviously for basketball you need really good hand-eye coordination, so that's what we're going to be testing. And also your reaction time, so how quickly you react to a stimulus. So if that's on a basketball court and someone calling your name to pass you the ball, or reacting to a rebound off the backboard, you need really quick reactions. So we're going to test those 3 today, and you can then compare your results with the national averages for UK students, and then we're going to do a circuit to see if we can try and improve on those different areas of fitness. So you're going to need a few items first, so I'll tell you what they are, so then I suggest you maybe pause the video, go get those things and then come back and we'll carry on. So you're going to need a piece of paper and a pen so you can write down your results. You're going to need a 30 centimeter ruler. You're going to need a tennis ball and a basketball, or just a ball of some kind. I do have a tennis ball but I don't have a basketball. I have a 2-year-old, so I've got a small ball that will kind of bounce, which is fine. And a stopwatch or your timer on your phone. Okay, so if you want to pause now and go and get those few things and then come back. Perfect. So we're going to start off by looking at testing your reaction time. Now you will need someone else to help you with this, so hopefully you've got someone else around. Okay, you want to get somebody to hold the top of the 30 centimeter ruler, and at the bottom says 0 centimeters, and then you're going to use your thumb and forefinger and hold it just below that mark. Okay, and whenever they decide, they're not going to tell you when, they drop the ruler and you catch it. And you have a look at how many centimeters that is. You're allowed to have 3 practices, and then you can take your best score. Okay, so again, pause the video, have a practice, and then come back. Okay, the second one we're going to do is your coordination test. So ideally you need a tennis ball for this, and hopefully someone else will be around to time you and count how many throws and catches you do. So you need a wall, and you want to be about a meter away from the wall, and you have to throw and catch the ball. Throw from your right hand, catch with your left, throw from your left, catch with your right. How many you can do in 30 seconds. If you drop the ball, you just pick it up and keep going. So for example, you just throw, underarm, catch, right to left, left to right. Okay, so go and practice that one. That is your coordination test. And then lastly, we're going to test our muscular endurance. So there's lots of tests you can do for your muscular endurance, because you can test the endurance in your legs, in your core, in your abdominals. So we're going to do the 30-second sit-up test. Okay, so with your sit-ups, just to show you, you want to make sure that your feet are flat on the floor, your knees are bent, your hands are going to be across your chest. You want to start down on the floor, come all the way up to your knees, and all the way back down. Okay? If you've got someone around again, they can hold on to your feet to help you stay controlled. Okay, so how many sit-ups, full sit-ups all the way up to your knees, all the way back down to the floor, can you do in 30 seconds? So have a go at that, pause the video, off you go. Okay, so hopefully you've got 3 sets of results now. 1 for your reaction time, 1 for your coordination, and 1 for your muscular endurance. So I'm going to give you the national averages now, so that you can compare yourself to see whether you're poor, average, below average, excellent, and so on. So these are your results for the ruler drop reaction test. All right. And then these are the results for your coordination, your hand-eye coordination test. Okay, and lastly, these are the results for your sit-up test for your muscular endurance. Okay, so have a look and see where you are, and then maybe you can set yourself a target while we're still under curfew that you want to try and improve on some of those and get a better score. All right, so moving on, we are going to be focusing on doing a circuit today to improve those different areas of fitness. So all you need for that in terms of equipment is a stopwatch and ideally a basketball, but if not, any type of ball that you can throw and bounce against the wall. You're going to do the circuit 3 times. You're going to do the first round, you're going to work for 30 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds and move on. The second time, you're going to work for 45 seconds and rest for 15 seconds. And the last round, you're going back to the original timing, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. But you want to count how many repetitions you can do in that whole circuit. So for example, the first exercise is squats. Say you do 15 squats in 30 seconds. Then the next one is bouncing the ball against the wall. You go 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then the next one is sit-ups, 21, 22, 23, etc. So by the end of your circuit, round 3, you should have a total number of repetitions. And I'm giving everyone a target of trying to get more than 100 repetitions, okay? That's your target for your age group. So after each round, you're going to get a 1-minute rest, and then you can start round 2 and then round 3. We're not going to go through that together, but at the end, when I finish showing you the exercises, I will just hold up a piece of paper which shows you the circuit so that you can practice it and go through it in your own time. Okay, so the first exercise is your squats, okay? It's really important that your knees do not go over your toes and you're sticking your bum backwards and trying to keep your chest up. So as you squat, you're going back and down. You can't see my feet. Okay? As you squat, back and down. Okay, your bum is going backwards, your knee is not going over your toes. Okay, so as many squats as you can do in 30 seconds. The next one is bouncing the ball against the wall, so like a bounce pass, but I want you to throw it with your right hand and throw it with your left hand. So alternate your hands. So you're just going to bounce and see how many you can do against the wall. Okay? Alright, next one is your sit-ups. Okay, I've demonstrated that already. So how many sit-ups can you do in that time? And then the next one is your high knees. Okay, so you want to get your knees up 90 degrees. Okay, you're not just doing it down here. Okay, nice and high, as many as you can in 30 seconds. Okay, sorry, my hair's just come undone. Alright, next one is alternating lunges. So with this one, it's really important that you do the correct technique. So you're going to step forwards with one of your legs. You want to bend down. This knee again is not going over your toe, and this knee is going down to 90 degrees. Okay, then step back and then go with the next one. So you're alternating your legs for your lunges. Okay, next one is you're going to try and do a chest pass against the wall. Okay, so 2 hands, throw and catch as many as you can in that time. Leg raises, so that's going to work the lower abdominal muscles. So for that one, place your hands just under your hips, legs straight up in the air, go all the way down but don't touch the floor, and then back up. All the way down and then back up. Okay? Try and keep your legs together and keep them nice and straight. And the last one is star jumps. Okay? Legs in and out and arms in and out. So that is your circuit. Obviously I've rushed through that very quickly, but I'm going to show you the circuit in a second with the 1, 2 and 3 rounds. So what I'd really like you to do over this next week is maybe have a go at that circuit 2 or 3 times within the week, and then in a couple of weeks time we'll come back to these fitness tests, we'll do them again, and then we'll see if we've managed to improve our scores from this session. Okay, so here is your circuit, okay, and there are your sessions. So just make sure you've got that and you can see. Perfect. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully this will keep you motivated and getting your exercise going and keeping you healthy and fit. And we'll be sending another set of videos over to you guys next week. All right, bye.